Hello everybody, welcome back to another Life of a Cousin video. Today is gonna be a toy review. Like my plushie 2020, this is my toy 2020 because you see a lot of these people, not including my Dreamcatcher. Well, maybe including my Dreamcatcher. Anyways, so let's start with my 2020 toys. So, Harry the Moth, not a sponsor. Incineroar, not a sponsor either. Just put Harry right there. Miss Dreamcatcher's not considered a plushie, so she's a toy. Miss Dreamcatcher. The three hyenas from The Lion King. Rexy. Tyrantrum. Put him right there. Then we got the woolly mammoth. This is considered a plushie. Iron Man. Glamrock Freddy. This fat mosquito, not a sponsor. Vision. Sully from Monsters University. The butterfly. Then we got Superman. We got Squirtle. We got Lex Luthor. We got another butterfly. Got Batman. Got this hippo, going to be in Among Us videos. Ice Wolf, going to be in an Among Us videos too. The Joker. Scar. The Penguin. And Robin. And I'm also including Freddy Fazbear's Pizza because, you know, there. Freddy Fazbear's Pizza. You have your own. It's a little wiggly. Gotta I'll glue that some more. I'll do that in a second, but yeah, plushie 2020.